Hey, what's up? It's your design systems nerd, Mark Reynolds here, coming to you today from Knapsack. We're doing a series called Cool Stuff You Can Do with Knapsack, and we're covering off some of the typical problems that you might have when working within the design systems space. And we're looking at the solutions that Knapsack provides to solve that problem. The problem we're going to focus on today is managing team members. So your design system will be available or will need to be available for multiple teams, both internal and external. So for example, you might have third-party agencies that are working with you on your design system, and you might have created a governance and contribution model that allows them to be part of the actual platform space. And obviously your internal design system team. So you'll have an internal centralized team maybe, or you'll have a less centralized team with which you then need to cover off lots of different types of contribution and different roles. So to keep that nice, clean and easy, Knapsack have a solution. So we're going to have a quick look through that. So as you can see, you just simply click at the top left menu, click on team members, and then you can take a look through. You can invite a new member via email, select different roles, admin, contributor and viewer for example, easily send the invite. You can then easily again select the different type of role access and remove access from the list, and search specifically for somebody that you might need to make an action on, such as again remove or change role-based access. Nice and simple.